Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. I hope everyone made it through the hurricane okay. I know it did a lot of damage, did a lot of flooding, a lot of people's homes, a lot of people's vehicles got flooded out. My heart goes out to you folks. I hope and pray that everything works out for you folks, and I hope God give you back even better. But this one here is a special series. Double drone F sharp flute tuned to 440 Hertz. I'll be giving you the options to choose between different fetishes. And I also make this flute here in 528 Hertz and also 432 Hertz. This one here is a 9-hole drone. I do make six-hole drones. If you just let me know I'll make you a 6-hole drone, I'll give you that option. But this one here, if you bear with me, I'll just play just a little bit. I won't use up too much of your time. This one here has my hummingbird fetishes on it with genuine turquoise eyes. It has been produced with black walnut wood. This black walnut here is a very hard wood. It's very easy on the mouth. Very close together, folks. It's a beautiful piece of wood in person. I don't know if you can see it. Where I'm trying to record today. I'm actually in my home today, and on the back you can see Special Series F sharp. But as we said in the past, all of my drones are different than anyone else's out there in the whole world, folks. This is my design, and I didn't want to do it like everyone else. And it's also their one-piece flutes, folks. The flutes themselves, they have not been split. They're still bored out with the gun drill. So you won't have to worry about your flute ever cracking. But I'm going to give you a very short sound sample of this one here, because I got to hurry up and get this one here going. This one here is already for sale, but I'll put the link below this video to where you can purchase you one right away, folks. Let me know what you think. each individual hole. If you like, you can just remove each piece of leather. And that's another advantage over all the other flute makers. You know, they have to put plugs, and a lot of times those plugs be in the way. By the way I've designed this one here, I can put leather on it, and your hands are completely flat, folks. You don't have to be raising up your hands like this. But if you bear with me, I won't go through how to play each individual hole because I have videos on that. But I'll just play the 3 holes open. All you have to do is just twist your leather. You don't have to slide up and down the flute. You can just twist your leather like so. Beautiful, folks. Like I said, I'll give you the options to choose between different fetishes: the wolves, the hummingbirds, the eagles, the hawks, the buffaloes, whatever you want. I'll give you those options, and also I'll put the links down to where you can purchase the 528 hertz and also the 432 hertz. These Ever-Sharp flutes, folks, they have such a wonderful voice. They are so relaxing to play. They don't overblow easily. They are just wonderful. And I really enjoy playing these flutes, folks. And I hope you all do too. And when you purchase one, just let me know what you think about it, because it takes a lot of work and time to create this type of design. Like I said, it's not a flat piece of wood to where you can just split the sides you know, and glue it back together. You know, those flutes, I'm not doubting any of those flutes, but they're much simpler than this one here. This one here, you know, is completely round in the middle, and that makes it a whole lot harder to create than one that's completely flat like this right here, all the way up. It's a whole lot harder to make, folks, and everything has to be completely perfect. Everything has to be completely the same, or it just won't work. So think about that when you're purchasing this flute, and 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 I hope that when you purchase one, that you can feel what I feel when I play one. And like I said, you folks that had a hard time doing this Hurricane Debby, I hope and pray, you know, that everything works out for you folks. And I hope God gives you back even better than what you had before. And thank you so much, folks, for everything. Thank you so much for purchasing my flutes. I won't be here if it wasn't for you all. And I appreciate everything, folks. Thank you so much for everything.